If you have been diagnosed with cancer, you have a very good chance of winning Social Security disability insurance benefits, provided you financially qualify for either SSDI or SSI. The Social Security Administration has instituted the Compassionate Allowance Program. As of 2008, there is a list of medical impairments that are very serious impairments that permit a person to apply for Social Security disability and be awarded within a matter of weeks based on the severity of their condition. Now, of course, it goes without saying that certain types of cancer are in the category for a compassionate allowance. Those could include, for instance, liver cancer, pancreatic cancer, cancer of the gallbladder, and spinal cord cancer. If, on the other hand, you've been diagnosed with a cancer that does not fall in the compassionate allowance list category, and by the way, I did not just say the only ones in the compassionate allowance list category. There are many other types of cancer in that list, so I encourage you to go to ssa.gov, Social Security's website, to see what cancers qualify for an expedited immediate grant of benefits. Now, if the type of cancer you have is not within that compassionate allowance list, you still have a very good chance of winning Social Security disability. However, it may take you up to 2 or 3 years. For example, if you have breast cancer, and if it was recently diagnosed and you have several months ahead of you of chemotherapy, radiation, and/or surgery, Social Security is likely to wait for that 12-month period to see if after those treatments you are successfully in full remission. So unfortunately, even though you may obviously not be able to work due to the extensive and disabling nature of the treatments themselves and the excessive absenteeism that the ongoing chemo and surgery and recovery will result in, it's often likely that if you have a type of cancer that is curable and likely to go into remission, Social Security is going to make you wait for the full length of time, the 2 years or so, to have a hearing before a judge. Now, at that time, if you have survived the cancer and you are in full remission and you have returned to the workforce, then you can still ask for a period of closed disability benefits. That would mean that effective as of your onset date when the cancer was diagnosed and you stopped working to the date that you returned to full-time work and recovered from the cancer enough that you could sustain regular activity, you could ask for those, say, 2 years of back benefits. And in most cases, you would be awarded those benefits.